Well, Hurricane Helene continues to march its way toward the area, and our weather is only going to go downhill from here, unfortunately. Now, the rest of the afternoon, we should be relatively quiet with the outside chance for a stray shower or so. But I think late tonight, especially after midnight, is when the really impactful rain and then the winds will start to move in. As we put Futurecast into motion, you'll be able to see here by 8:30, here comes some of that rainfall associated with Helene, and then it really starts to pick up in intensity after midnight and for the morning rush. If you get into some of these rain bands, you could see those dramatically higher winds gusting around, and then looks like more extremely heavy rain rolls in here toward the afternoon, that's the time, late morning, early Friday afternoon, is when I'm particularly concerned about the rain and the winds. Notice a little bit of a dry slot here. If we get those dry slots into the metro, that will increase the chance for extremely strong winds. Having said that, the models are still fighting over the exact track. If it takes this more western track, that will impact us and maybe lessen our wind threat as opposed to if it moves further toward the west. So keep that in mind. Right now, the latest model data continues to bring those winds right up into our area. Notice those brighter blues. That's getting into that 50 mile an hour or greater category Friday afternoon into Friday evening before the worst of the winds in the center of the storm presses off into portions of Illinois. In terms of those winds, they could lead to power outages across the area. Remember, all of the trees still have their leaves on them. They're going to grab that wind like a sail, and they could topple over with how wet the ground will be. So that Friday afternoon period is when I'm most concerned for power outages. When all is said and done, easily 2, 3, 4 inches of rain is likely across the metro. We're worried about excessive rainfall, which is rainfall that's heavy enough to result in flash flooding. So please don't drive through flooded roadways. 76 for this afternoon, not too bad across the entire metro. Temperatures really rather comfortable for late September. 60s tonight with that rainfall and those gusty winds rolling in. Really not a great day to be outside on Friday. We have that wind advisory in effect for winds gusting 55 miles an hour or stronger. Lingering showers throughout the weekend. The winds will subside. We may not see the sun till early next week.